In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of smoke smell in Airbnb. If you walk into your rental and notice a lingering smoke odor, the first thing to do is act quickly and methodically. Smoke smell tends to settle into the air and into soft surfaces, so the goal is to ventilate the space first and then clean anything that may be holding onto that odor. Start by opening all windows and doors. This helps create airflow and gives the smoke smell a way to escape instead of staying trapped inside the property. Right after that, turn on any fans or the HVAC system to keep fresh air moving throughout the space. Good circulation can make a big difference in how fast the odor starts to fade. Next, locate the source of the smoke smell. Check for obvious items like ashtrays, cigarette butts, or ashes, but also pay attention to fabrics, carpets, and furniture, since smoke often clings to those materials. Once you identify anything related to smoking, remove it right away and dispose of it safely. After that, wash all washable fabrics. This includes bedding, curtains, towels, and cushion covers. Use an odor-removing detergent if you have one, since standard washing may not fully eliminate smoke residue. Soft materials are some of the biggest odor holders, so this step is especially important. Then move on to hard surfaces. Clean walls, countertops, windows, and furniture using an appropriate cleaning solution. Smoke can leave behind a residue that keeps the smell in the room, so wiping down these surfaces thoroughly helps remove more than just the odor. Once the hard surfaces are done, vacuum carpets, rugs, and upholstered furniture thoroughly. If possible, use a vacuum with a HEPA filter, since it can help capture fine particles more effectively. Be patient here, because smoke odor often settles deep into carpet fibers and upholstery. To deal with any smell that still lingers, use odor absorbers such as baking soda, activated charcoal, or a commercial odor eliminator. These can help neutralize the smell rather than simply masking it. If the odor is still noticeable, deep clean or steam clean the carpets and upholstery. This can be very effective when smoke has really soaked into the materials. You can also consider using an air purifier with both a HEPA